When the heart's natural pacemaker is not working properly, the heart may beat too fast, too slow, or irregularly. A doctor may implant a heart rhythm device like a pacemaker or defibrillator to restore the heart's natural rhythm. These devices are traditionally implanted in the upper chest beneath the collarbone and are about the size of a stopwatch. These battery-powered devices are connected to the heart with a lead, a thin, flexible wire that is traditionally inserted into a vein into a heart chamber. An internal defibrillator can sense when the heart is beating too fast, called tachycardia. In this case, the device will send small, painless electrical pulses to correct the heart rate. If the rapid heart rate continues, the defibrillator will deliver a necessary life-saving shock and restore the heart to a more normal rate.